obviously the SICAP programmes are extremely important to tackle poverty and exclusion. In my own county of Wexford, there are 27 areas designated very disadvantaged. A total of 6,500 people live in those areas. Another 30,000 live in disadvantaged areas. Wexford has huge potential, both in terms of its geographical location, Rossiter Europort, and hopefully we'll now see the development of the University for the South East with a strong section of that in Wexford. However, the areas of disadvantage are under serious pressure, and while Brian Keogh, the CEO of WLD, is doing phenomenal work, it is an element of the laws of the fishes, and Tom Enright, CEO of Wexford County Council, is doing his best down there too. But at the moment they have 1.7 million under the current programme. It's about half of what the similar programme provided 10 years ago. Those areas within Wexford that are disadvantaged and are very disadvantaged need additional funding. And I return to one of my bugbears, the CLAR programme, which hasn't been adjusted since the census of 2002. There are areas in Wexford that have been depopulated in that time, and they are losing out on CLAR funding because they're not being included under the CLAR programme because it hasn't been updated. There are only two counties outside of Dublin not in the CLAR programme. It's Kildare and Wexford Wexford very much needs to be included in that.
Minister.
Thank you very much. Well, look at just the original programme of SICAP 2015 to 2017 came to an end on the 31st of December. Having helped over 110,000 individuals and assisted over 5,000 local community groups. In 2018, SICAP exceeded its target and assisted under Goal 1, 2,558 community groups, and Goal 2, 1,967 individuals. The targets for 2019 are Goal 1, 2,273 community groups, and Goal 2, 27,313 individuals. The SICAP programme, as you know, it's a programme that I'm very pleased with, and it's a programme that I'd like to have more funding for, because it does target disadvantaged children and families, disadvantaged young people between the age of 15 and 24, disadvantaged women and Roma, and also emerging needs groups like travellers, lone parents, low-income workers, and it's important that these people are given the opportunity. And a lot of these people have been given the opportunity, and a lot of these people on a one-to-one basis have been dealt with by the SICAP programme. And some of these people have got into the marketplace, some of these people have got into employ people, some of them have got jobs, some of them have learned to read and write. We have given them an opportunity, and all I can say is every opportunity we give people in disadvantaged areas, I welcome that, and I'm pleased with the SICAP programme, and it is substantial funding, and as I say, the SICAP programme is working very well.
Deputy Browne.
Thank you, Minister. I do think the SICAP is working well in the sense of what its ideas behind it. I think it is a very good idea, and I do compliment it in relation to that area. I suppose my key point is there's not enough funding to enable it to do what I think it very much can do. Of the 27 very disadvantaged areas, I mean, you divide that by 1.7 million, it's about 60,000 per area per annum. And when you think about the number of people in each of those areas, it's not a whole lot of funding to help those people. And as I point out, it's about half the kind of similar funding that was provided 10 years ago under a similar programme. So I suppose what I'm saying, Minister, is it's a good programme. It is well thought out, and I do say well done on that side of it, Minister. But the nugget is we need more funding so to enable that programme to do what it can do for those disadvantaged areas and very disadvantaged areas.
Thank you, Deputy. Final comment.